Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Money Star 365 here. So, today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the Ad Copy Pro system. Now, what is the Ad Copy Pro system, you may ask? Well, basically, it's a system that provides you with pre-written copies that you can use for any business, online business, offline business, anything that comes to mind for business, whether it be a hair salon store, anything like that. You could customize the ads in this system for your business. All right. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you the little introduction video here. Play a little bit for you. So this is the intro video here that you get when you sign up. It's gonna be one of the first things that you see when you sign up for the Ad Copy Pro. All right. Now I'm gonna access the system. Give me 1 second. All right. So that's the welcome video there, basically. All right, cool. So here is everything that you need to know, basically. All right, you have access to funnel pages, leads, referrals, pass ups, 100% commission, system setup, things like that. All right. Now with this system, there are two options. You can come in at the $25 level, right, where you get all that. This is the basic $25 package here, and you can also come in at the $100 level. So not only will you have access to pre-written ad copy. Hold on for a second. Turn that down. Sorry about that. So not only will you be able to earn $25 commissions, but if you come in at the $100 level also, you'll also be able to earn $100 commissions as well, which adds up to $125 for each sale that you make. All right. Two packages, one for 25, one for 100. All right. Now that we got that covered, I'm going to show you a little bit of what's inside here. So you get a lead capture page. You're able to track your visitors. You have a video sales page here, which is actually very, very powerful. I've seen the video. The video is very, very powerful. I mean, every online business has a sales video, and they are effective. But this one here is different, in my opinion, than the others. All right. So you have the referral URL. You have the login URL, and also at the bottom you have an option to join Builderall. Okay. So I'm going to click on the lead capture page first. So this is your basically lead capture page that you get inside the system, all right? This super simple copy and paste system that spits out unlimited $25 payment, excuse me, guys. So that's your lead capture page there, all right? Let's go to the video sales page. So as you can see, for $25, you're getting a lot of value, all right? Again, you're going to have the lead capture page. You're going to have the video sales page, all that included for $25, all right? Wait for my computer to set up here. In the meantime, I'll wait for that to set up. Let me show you some of the ad copy that you're going to get inside of here. Oh, see, I'm not connected now. Now my Wi-Fi is acting up. Give me a second, guys. All right, well, I'll wait for that to set up. I'm going to show you some of the inside of the ad copies, if you will, plus more that you get inside here, right? So basically you have the trigger words, phrases, weekly posts, headlines you can use. You see there's a lot of headlines that you can use. They also show you how certain posts that you can make, certain tweaks you can make. And they give you little tips and tricks as well inside of here. Cold calling scripts, cold prospecting emails, and so much more inside of here, guys. Like I said, I don't want to show off everything because it is a lot. So I'm gonna leave that there, close that out. And this is your video. All right. So the video pretty much does all the explaining for you. All you have to do, drive traffic to the video, and it does the selling and the telling for you. And it's a very powerful video, like I said. All right.
And watch this short video. But first, let me ask you 3 simple questions. Question 1. Have you ever posted an ad about your business on social media?
So imagine driving traffic to this video, right? And then letting the video do all of the selling and telling for you. With this system, you have that option. You have that sales page that you could use, that you could drive traffic to, and let the sales page, sales video, excuse me, do the work for you. Okay. So again, at the end of the day, like I said, you have access to everything that you see here, right? All of that for a one-time $25 payment. Okay. Or $35 payment, excuse me. There's $25 to sign up, and then you have to pay a $10 admin fee also. So it's $35 one time, and you get access to everything mentioned there. Okay. Let me check out one more thing before I sign off here. Now, when the system's set up, also, one last thing I'm gonna show you about the system. You're also able to, like, hold on, that's all my information there, right? Wrong page, sorry guys. Let me see. All right, here it is. Probably my computer's taking a little bit longer than it should. I don't know why. One of those things, I guess. All right, so you have the option here to click to create your own PayPal button, which is kind of cool. You also could add your own payment processor URL right here, so it actually directs automatically to the URL that you want to use for your payment. Okay, so I'm just going to show you an example of what it's going to look like. All right. I really gotta get a new computer. This thing is really moving slow. All right, guys. So basically, you click on this is what your referrals are gonna see when they want to sign up. All right. That's the page you'll see first, and then it'll show you the payment processor that you're using, whether it's PayPal or coin payments or whatever it is that you decide to use to receive payments for the system. I decided to use my PayPal account, of course, to set that up, so have the payments going directly to me. So that way it's much easier, and the payments are instant. Like it says at the top there, instant payments. That's exactly what it is. All right. So honestly, this system is really different in a sense that you're getting the ad copies provided for you, so that way you don't really have to do too much in terms of trying to figure out what to post or what to say about your business opportunity, how, to come up with the right words for it. You have the copy right there. All you really have to do is just customize it to your liking, customize it to your taste for your business. And the fact that you can also earn the $25 instant payments or $100 payments or whatever it is, the fact that you can also earn payments on top of that makes it that much better. So I would definitely recommend this system to anyone, any marketer that needs help with ad copy, or anyone that wants to earn the little extra side income as well, because that way you're getting the best of both worlds. All right. So guys, if you have any questions for me about the product, you can leave a comment in the description below the video. I'll also leave my link as well. So if you're interested, if you want to get started with this today, which I highly recommend, you can definitely click on my link and you can check out the video for yourself and watch the entire video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, like I said, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right. Guys, have a good day. You guys take care, and I will talk to you later on. All right.